is apartment. That is school apartment, guys. Is living here. So we are here all making dinner. So go. Yan. Christian school. Here we are.
Litt usikker på hvor vi kan parkere. Han må se litt.
Der parkerer der. Ikke? Fagskole.
Ja, få se.
Hvis du vil, men du må betale det.
Jeg tror det.
Fagskole.
Det er lov å parkere her, ikke?
Ja, parkere det er gratis, tror jeg.
Tror jeg?
Så det er for seg. Sånn, nå er det. So now we are here in my son's school, guys. So we are going to the apartment. We make food here, so we buy fresh fish to make it dinner. Instead, we eat outside in restaurant. So now we are here. That is apartment. That is school apartment, guys. Is living here. So we are here all making dinner. So go. Yan. So hindi yoraral.
Så det...
That. So we are in boarding house. My second son, yeah, guys. Here we are. And then we are going to make dinner. So young Christian is there. He's here. So let's make food for dinner for 3. Hiya! This is before, guys. And I'm going to clean up this. So here we come, guys. Maglinis tayo dito, guys. Maglinis natin. Maglinis. Ayan. Diba guys, nalinis ko na. So magpugas muna tayo dito guys. kahit pa paano guys, nalinisin kaunti ang ano, boarding house sa yung mga estudyante guys. Yung anak ko dito nakatira, sinali ko na lang lahat paghugas lang. Medyo malinis. Kahit kaunti ba nalinisan naman guys. Dahil maraming ano. Mahirap para pag black color na cabinet. Mag-ano yung maglama-lama yung marquee sa ano natin guys. Yep. Yan, nalinisin naman kahit kaunti. Yung ano nila. At nakatulong kahit pa paano guys yung ano. Nalinisan kaunti. Diba? Ano natin ito rin. Kasi, yan, malikabok. Uy, yun ako na. Salamat. Kala ko. Grabe guys, yung ano nila. Uy. Buling mo guys. Napaka dirty. I-brush na natin guys. Tingnan natin kung makuha. It take time. Pero kasi matagal na ito. Pag matagal yung kuway, magbilit-bilit na siya. Hindi siya madali makuha. Tagal. Huwag na hindi yan dito. Sayangin yung oras dyan. Tapos kalinisan ko kahit kaunti. Diba? Ay, dito scrap eh. Ano ba yung scrap ko? Ganyan na lang guys. Diba? At least nalinisan. Kahit pa paano, nalinisan siya. Nalinisan. Yan. Yes, nalinisan ko. Yung old cabinet dyan. O, diba? So, nalinisin ko yung lahat ng mga refrigerator dyan. O. At least, nalinis ko din. And then, yan. Yan, ang cabinet dyan. Refrigerator. O, kahit pa paano, nalinisin din yan, guys. So, dito yung long table nila sa mga estudyante. And then, mayroon silang sopa dito, guys. Diba? And then, ito naman nalinisin ko na rin din yan. Diba? Try tayo ng isda, guys. Kakainin natin dito sa unsong, guys. Yes. So, ito na natin, guys, yung other side. On the other side, guys, that is put as very scarce fish here, guys. It is so expensive fish. Yan. So that is the ulam for today, guys, for us family. So ang lagyan natin, nag-ano tayo ng salt. Not much. Okay. Salt. Yan. And then, pepper. Yan lang, guys. Simple. meron na tayong fish. Ang gawin natin, gagawa tayong salad. Meron na tayong salad. So, lagyan natin tomato. Yan. Okay. Kain tayo ng maraming tomato, guys. Yan. Yung tomato. So, gawa tayo ng salad to make it yummy. Then, meron tayong, ito na yung natin salad. And then, the fish is done. Cook na natin, guys. Then is done. Fish is done. So ready na natin yan mamaya. Yeah. Parang hindi ito eh. Diba? Luto na yan, guys. Hindi kailangan ilutong matagal. Dahil masisira. So, meron na tayong isda. Kainin natin isda. Kunin na natin, guys. Parang hindi siya mag-overcook. Hindi na siya masarap kapag overcook na yung natin isdang pinirito. Kailangan lang half-cook. Luto na yan. Tara. Tignan natin. It's yummy. Sarap. Yung fried fish natin, guys. It's so yummy. Dinner for today, guys. And all is on. Here we are. Yummy little salad. Padi lo de papa. Så middagen var fisk.
Jag vill ha fisk.
Varsågod. Varsågod. Fisken då. Varsågod. Eating time na tayo, guys. Naglinis ako sa kayong pisyan. Kaalib layan. Okay. Umutibak yung litride. Litride. So siya gabi mali basket din mama ko mero piri mania basker.
Mamma, nu kommer oftare.
Adigot?
Ja.
Masinis doon na, bra? Kain na tayo muna, guys. Eating time. Please. Kain na tayo muna, guys. Meron tayong grill at sa fish at homer. Yummy. Willkommen till Young Christian school, apartment or school. So this is the kitchen. Then I made fried. Nagluto ako ng isda yan, guys. And then this is it. It's so nice that is refrigerator to each of one a student. And this is the cabinet each of a student. And this is for oven. And this is I made fried fish here. This is two oven there, and here's the long table to eat here. There is 15 students living here, and then ito naman, guys, yung sofa nila, guys. Sofa, guys, it's so fantastic, guys, sofa. So let's see the sofa, guys. It's a nice sofa, guys. It's a beautiful, and it's on TV. And the sofa, everyone is watching TV and eating something. And this is for Young Christian. Hi! So now that is each of a student here. Bawat estudyante may bawat silang room. And that is the other side, and that is the other side, and that is the other is 15 students who living here. And this is the other side, and that is the young Christians room. Welcome to young Christians room. Here we are. That is small room with the data, and this is the young Christian. She want to sleep here, and that is the window outside. Look at the side here is nice view. So this is it. So toward the young Christian school apartment, they call boarding house, guys. So this is it, and she want to flee here, sitting here. So now we going back to the hotel, and young Christian to play here. So Papa.
Målet er den madrassen. 2 dårlige madrasser. Han trenger en ny ordentlig madrass.
Jens sin madras det. Ganito liit yan. Iska hari, dilit yan ha. Oi, du tar din her, Nana!
Hæ?
Du tar den?
Nei, Katrine.
Ha?
Katrine har tatt den.
Tatt den? Så har young Christian room. Hey! Young Christian sing ha! So, yeah, they are some balcony here. And this is the place to put the rice. Also, this is the nice place here, sitting with the basic. If, for example, this family be sitting here. So that is it. It's so beautiful and nice sofa, guys. It's nice color and the nice view outside. I want to eat a little bit something. This one, so it's a nice and beautiful boarding house. And see you for the next. Young Christian School. Here we are. Mintilit na na. Mintilit na na. Also there. Also there. Also the young Christian here. There. Son bibigi. And then are the boarding house here.
Ja.
Yan, video sa amin ta. May bloomstay, may trar. Ay, dito ta. Dito ta. Dito ta.